fresh, rakish, and lavish. Volvo's V60 average size wagon overhauled for 2019 is everything people need in a SUV, just without that enormous ride tallness and wealth of vertical sheet metal and glass. Can't people simply get over themselves as of now? Red Dawn ain't happening. Wagons can be cool. The 2019 V60 is agile, provocative transport with the adaptability to convey 5 individuals and bunches of their stuff. We've just observed Volvo's incredible Scalable Product Architecture (SPA) stage at work with the XC90, a Motor Trend SUV of the Year victor, and the average size XC60, a SUVOTY finalist. We additionally enjoyed its emphasis in the smooth, considerable V90 wagon. Presently Volvo has contracted down its huge wagon that is the adaptable part from full size to fair size. In spite of the fact that the stage is downscaled, the V60 itself has developed significantly in wheelbase and general length over the active model, while its lower stature shows up. Notwithstanding the conventional inward ignition T5 gas engine with a 310 horsepower turbocharged and supercharged 4-cylinder, customers will have a decision of the 340 horsepower T6 AWD fuel module crossover or the T8, which conveys 390 horsepower. The T6 adds a mellow crossbreed to the T5 motor, while the T8 attaches 2 electric engines to support execution, despite the fact that with some weight punishment. Both half and half powertrains have a guaranteed 0-60 time of 4.8 seconds, while the T5 has a 0-60 time of 5.8 seconds. On the security side, the V60 will accompany programmed braking and recognition frameworks that perceive people on foot, cyclists, and substantial creatures. On very much checked streets, semi-self-sufficient controlling, speeding up, and braking is conceivable up to 80 miles per hour. Path takeoff and cross-activity alarms are additionally part of the well-being suite. Volvo's tablet-sized infotainment framework highlights Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and 4G network. Having a V60 likewise will be conceivable through the Care by Volvo level expense membership benefit. The 2019 Volvo V60 will go at a bargain in the US this fall.